What's going on? This is Chris from ButtonMakerPro.com. Today I'm going to show you how you can make a print sheet with mixed styles. So we're going to come in here to the example images. We're just going to go ahead and grab this beautiful moo cow, and we're just going to show that we can move it around. We can reset the art here, and then we can actually add another image if we wanted to. We could remove the background, add stickers, but today's focus is talking about different sizes on the sheet. Right now I have the 2.25 round button, which is also shown here. But what if I wanted to add, I don't know, a 1.25? I can't. Mix styles are off. If I turn mix styles on and I add it to the sheet auto updates. It shows different sizes. You can do all kinds of things with this. If you wanted to have another image come in here and you want to remove this one and you want to add that one to it, or you want to remove that one and you want to add that one there, you can do whatever you want. You can even have a square image on here. Now that doesn't look very good because the image doesn't necessarily work with that. So let's grab a different one. Let's grab this pumpkin spice latte. We'll add that one in here too. So if you're looking to save paper, does it work cutting straight lines on this one? Absolutely not. Is it kind of tight on the fitting? Sure, yeah. Let's go ahead and lighten it up a little bit. The tight settings down here, bunch everything up close together to save as much paper as possible. And then each of these you can come back and edit as well. So clear the preview. If you needed to come back in here and work on this cow here, you can come in here, click that, go down to the text settings. Let's enable some text. Oh look, ButtonMaker Pro. If you wanted to drag it around, you can drag it if you want to. You can also just move it over here with the toggles. So we move that there, make this text a little bigger, work on the radius. Angle's a little rounded. It's quite rounded on that one, isn't it? And then we can make it thinned out. We can space the letters out a little bit more. We can do whatever we want to do. And when we hit move back to sheet, it goes back up there with the text. Can clear the preview out. Can remove the text. Click print. Off to the market. Or you can save it as a PDF, which it does. Saves as a PDF right away. There it is. The red line is obviously your guideline, but we can always change that later on. Sheet PNG, download single PNG, and then we have print sheet up here or print down here. When you print the sheet, it goes straight to the printer right away. That is everything. Thanks for checking out ButtonMakerPro.com. I hope you all enjoyed this little session. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe. Click follow down there on whatever platform you're looking at. And if you know anybody that makes magnets or buttons or pinbacks or anything like that, send them our way. We would love to see you, and we can't wait to see what you create. Take care.